Hello guys, in this tutorial I will be showing you how to download and install Android Simulator on your PC. So, let's get started. First, you need to go to bignux.com. Now click the download button. After download is finished, you will have something like this. Open the file and click the install button. When the installation is finished, click the Start button, and enjoy your adventure on Android. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos.